Hi, mommies. This is Tanya, Noor's mom. So, today I'm here to show you Noor's Montessori shelf at 13 months. So, like I've mentioned in my video before about Montessori, that we started with the shelf and Montessori learning for Noor at 13 months. So, this was her first shelf that I had set up. Uh, they have fairly easy activities, and I've tried to focus on different skills. So let me take you through each and every activity and toy that I have for her at 13 months. So here, the first one is a basic stacker. This is from Fisher Price, and this helps in developing the child's sequencing, problem solving, and fine motor skills. Here I have a couple of blocks. These are just wooden blocks, and some of them even make sound. There's a mirror here. So this is just for open-ended play, for stacking and everything. This I got from Nintods. This is a single piece puzzle. Just a single piece puzzle. It has a mirror inside. So this is again from Nintods. So this single piece puzzle helps the child develop a pincer grasp and also logic when he has to put this back into the shape, and the blocks are for open-ended play. Here I have a rainbow peg toy. This is from Curious Cub. So these are basically pegs of different colors. So you must be wondering why I have not put them outside, unassembled like I always say. So the reason is, at this point of time, Noor was just 13 months, and these pegs actually, if you pop them like this, they actually attract the baby to come and play with them. So this is the reason why I have not put them here unassembled. So I used to take out the activity and pop these like this, and then I used to show her how to pull them out and put them back in. So once again, great for fine motor skills, and later on can be used for color matching also. This is an Innie bin. So this is from Toycraft. So this is a great toy. So this is a plastic kind of frame with a cloth material here, stretchable material. So what the child has to do is, child has to learn to maneuver his hand and get out an object from it. So the child has to figure out how to get it from inside, and this is also great for sensory play, because all the balls here inside have different textures, and it also requires logic where the child has to figure out how to put the hand inside and take it out, as well as their motor skills. So this is from Toycraft. Then here I have a drum for her. So this is for her musical activity. This is a basic Little Tikes drum, and you can find it on my Amazon storefront, and it is just for banging and playing music. Next, I have a ball tracker here. This is from Curious Cub as well, and Noor loved it. So she used to love putting the balls inside and track them. So babies love to do this because it keeps their focus in, it helps in their visual tracking ability development, and it is very, very engaging. So Noor can still play with it for hours, but this was one of her favorite toys at 13 months. Next, I had a book here. So this is a basic push flap book. This particular one is from Scholastic. I bought it from Book Bond by Neha, and it is a pretty engaging book with flaps and everything, and colorful book. So Noor used to love reading this and still does. So you can, yes, put books in the Montessori shelf. Lastly, here I have a posting activity. So this is again from Curious Cub. So this box comes and these pegs comes. So you've got to teach the child to put the pegs in. So at 13 months, Noor could not do this, and I used to just fix them here like this, and like this, and then she used to just pop them in, and that is how she learned to do this later on. Then on the top of the shelf, I have two toys here, which are for aesthetic purposes. This is again a stacker. This is a Fisher Price stacker. This has been purchased from the US. So this is a different kind of a stacker. It is in the form of bowls. It can also be used for nesting. So one bowl goes into the other. So it can also be used like that. So at 13 months, she really didn't play with this. So this was just for the shelf to look attractive. Here I have a shape sorter again for aesthetic purposes. It has the same kind of mechanism like the ini bin to take out the shapes. But at 13 months, Noor didn't really play with this as much. So I just had it here for aesthetic purposes, and sometimes we used to make her play with it. These are some blocks, name blocks. These are from the Tiny Trove. So you can even use it for open-ended play, but we just have it here for aesthetic purposes, like I said. Behind these, I do keep some flashcards that I showed to Noor twice a day. So at 13 months, she was on vegetables, modes of transportation, birds, and farm animals. So all of them are from Curious Cub, and I used to do this, and I still do this twice a day with her, around 3 to 4 sets in one go. And she loves this activity, but I keep it hidden here so that she does not go and tear them up. So this was Noor's Montessori shelf at 13 months. So hope my video was helpful. Keep writing. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.